If this video helps you, please like and subscribe at the end. It means a ton to me. This is a quick guide on how to play surf maps in Counter-Strike 2. Surf maps let you slide along ramps to practice movement and timing, and they're tons of fun. There are two ways to play: solo with friends and bots or multiplayer. First, I'll show how to play with friends and bots. Open CS2, click Play, then select Workshop Maps. Click Visit Workshop to open the Steam overlay. Search Surf and pick the map you want to play. Let me know in comments what's your favorite surf map. Now, just click Subscribe, close the overlay, and the map should appear in your Workshop Maps list. If it doesn't, restart CS2. Select the map, start playing, and invite your friends. For multiplayer, click the globe icon for Community Server Browser, go to the Internet tab, refresh, and search Surf. Pick a server with low ping for timers and rankings. Let me know, what's your favorite surf map?